There are 4 ways to record audio on Muse. The first way is to have your collaborator share their screen and give you screen control access. Add the Muse plugin onto the master track of the DAW so you can both hear DAW audio. You can then record them locally into their own DAW. This is recommended as it removes possible network issues such as dropouts and delay. Once the recording is done, you can send the stems to yourself in the chat box. The second way to record is with the Muse recording device. Use this method if you are using a DAW that allows you to separate your input and output device. Set the input of your DAW to Muse recording and arm the Muse input you want to capture. You should see a signal coming into your DAW once the track is armed. Turn off monitoring so you and your collaborators do not hear an echo. Press record in your DAW as you normally would to capture the performance. To end the recording, click stop. You may notice some latency depending on network conditions, but you can correct this afterward by dragging the audio clip into place. It's important that when using the Muse recording device that you do not need to use the Muse recording plugin. The third way to record is with the Muse recording plugin. Use this method if you are using a DAW that doesn't allow you to separate your input and output device. In your DAW, create an aux track. Add the Muse recording plugin and route the audio into another track that you want to record into. Make sure you turn off monitoring or mute the track so you and your collaborators don't hear an echo. In some cases, you will have to route the output of your aux channel into another track to avoid the echo. Then, arm the Muse device you want to record and the audio track in your DAW, and you should see the signal coming in. Press record in your DAW as you normally would to capture the performance. To end the recording, click stop. Again, you may notice some latency dependent on network conditions, but you can correct this afterward by dragging the audio clip into place. For recording tutorials specific to your DAW, check out our written tutorials in the description below. The fourth way to record audio is recording to a file. This is enabled by default when you record someone else. In Muse, arm the device you want to record, and Muse will begin recording an audio file from that device. Once you click stop, a file will pop up in your recent recordings folder. You can save this or drag it directly into your DAW. You can also tell your collaborator to go into their audio settings and enable Save Recording to File when someone records you, so they have a local version of the audio recording as well.